How to create Revolut bank account from anywhere. So for this, all you have to do is simply open your Play Store or an App Store. Then you have to search for Revolut. Then go ahead and install the application first and foremost and wait until the application is successfully installed. Then tap open once the application is installed. Now select the option of sign up from here. So for privacy, I'm not able to screen record it, but you just have to go ahead and select your country code and enter your phone number right here. And once you do that, you have to go ahead and press on the option of continue. Then an OTP code would be sent to your mobile number, which you have to input in the display box. Then once you are verified, on to the next step, you can go ahead and enter your email address and allow some of the permission it asks for. Then it will ask you for an invite link that you can share with your friends, and you will be waitlisted, which will be notified in your email address or Gmail like this. Then you have to just wait until you are welcomed by Revolut, and just like that you'll be able to create your bank account from anywhere. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.